The auto mode may be used all year round. The system automatically regulates and maintains fan speed, airflow, and temperature in the cabin. To turn the system on, press the auto button. The indicator light turns on when the system is activated. Pressing the defrost button or changing the fan speed or airflow mode turns off the auto function and switches the system to manual control. To reactivate automatic control, press the auto button. To turn the entire climate control system off, press the off button. Your vehicle has separate temperature control buttons for the driver and front seat passenger. Turn the driver's side control knob to the right for warmer or left for a cooler temperature. If you want to adjust the passenger side temperature independently from the driver's side, press the dual button or turn the temperature control knob left or right. The dual control indicator and the passenger side temperature will be displayed on the monitor. If the dual mode is not active, the driver's temperature control buttons set the temperature for both the driver and passenger. To switch back to driver control when the dual mode is active, press the dual button again. Press the mode button repeatedly to cycle through these 4 airflow choices. Air will flow from the center and side vents. Air will flow from center and side and foot outlets. Air will flow from mainly foot outlets. Air will flow from the defroster and foot outlets. The selected airflow mode is displayed on the monitor. Press the AC button to manually turn the air conditioning on or off. Intake air control is automatically regulated in auto mode. Press this button to recirculate inside air or press this button to draw outside air into the cabin. The indicator light on the button will illuminate when the recirculating mode is active. The air recirculation mode increases air conditioning efficiency and helps block outside odors from entering the cabin. To return to automatic control of the air intake mode, press and hold either the fresh air or air recirculation button for approximately 2 seconds until the indicator lights on each button flash twice. Use the fan speed control buttons to adjust the fan speed. Press this button to increase fan speed. Press this button to decrease fan speed. When you manually change fan speeds, it turns off the automatic climate control mode. To return to automatic climate control, press the auto button. To defrost or defog the front and side windows, press the defrost button. The indicator light will illuminate. Airflow will be directed to the front and side windows. The indicator light on the AC key on the screen may also illuminate because the AC compressor is activated to help dry the air and improve window clearing performance. The air can still be fully warmed with the AC activated. To defrost or defog the rear window and the outside mirrors, push the rear window defroster switch. The indicator light will illuminate. After defrosting, push the switch again to turn off. If not turned off manually, this feature will automatically deactivate after a period of time. There is a temperature sensor located on top of the dashboard near the windshield that helps regulate the automatic climate control settings. Keep this area clear of papers and other materials. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.